Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, today I received a package here. Okay.
You want me to cut it?
No.
Okay.
Came from Amazon. So
Okay,
let me just cut it, okay? I'm gonna cut it with the scissors. Well, whenever the heck I cut it with the scissors. Oh, this is not working for me. Okay, I did that one. Excuse me, Mama.
Okay, I'm just helping. Okay, Mommy?
But you know I don't want that touching anything. You know I don't want you touching anything. Don't touch your face either. Okay, Mama?
Okay, Mommy.
Okay.
I want to
Okay,
my face.
my feet is hurting me. Because I'm over here sitting down on my bed.
See, I told you said I just did it upstairs.
Yeah, I know. But how should I walk upstairs? My knee hurt.
It's smarter to do it upstairs if you have an order.
Let me pause this. Okay, I opened this part right here. Now, let's go take a look.
This makes it that our address
The address is not there, it's on the other side.
Smart.
Okay, I have another bag.
With bubbles in it.
No, it doesn't have no address on it, so I got
the...
It's a mold.
Clear bubbles.
Okay.
Because for we pop clear ones.
No. Nobody's touching that. Here is my mold. Here is my mold.
Did you saw the address? No. Just turns it over.
Okay, wait a second, everyone, because I have to figure out how I'm going to open this without breaking it. No, thank you.
Okay.
I got to wash my hand. Look at that. I got some black. This is dirty. It's dirty. Wait a second, everyone. Okay, I just cut the bag. Now I'm just going to
slide it out.
Look what it is. Look what it is.
What is Domino's?
Domino's.
You can make Domino pizza.
Yes, I can. I had to have it. Isn't this wonderful? So this is good. I have my Domino's, which I plan to make some Domino's. I was thinking about making Puerto Rico Domino's and maybe also the Mexican Domino's, because my daughter wants me to make her Mexican and I want Puerto Rico. So yeah, I want the Puerto Rican one and she wants the Mexican.
And I want the Puerto Rico one.
Yeah.
Is that the one that you want?
Yeah, from Puerto Rico. So, oh, this is just so freaking awesome.
The same as that one.
I love it. I'm gonna make sure I look at this really good because I don't want nothing wrong with my mold.
Oh my God, look how it's on my
But oh my God, I'm so happy. Wow. So there's my mold, everyone. Can't wait to get started with this one. But I already been having a lot of stuff coming in. And I can't wait to start doing something. So bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye.